drinks are going down easy. Hell yeah, smooth laid back, baby, that's where it's at. Got my good friends slow to amen. Friday night high, got us feeling alright. Everybody talking how times are tough. Well, it sure ain't tough tonight. In here we like to be easy, simple, stress-free. We leave the rest outside. Flowing booze, cutting loose, we be kicking off our boots. We like to let it ride. The world out there might be falling apart, but baby, right now, life ain't hard. 'Cause drinks are going down easy. Hell yeah, smooth laid back, baby, that's where it's at. Got my good friends slow to amen. Friday night high, got us feeling alright. Everybody talking how times are tough. Well, they sure ain't tough tonight. Oh yeah.
Drinking, smoking, and dancing in the neon light. I'm shooting right there, setting up and leaving, but I don't mind, baby, I got you. I got my old white shirt and your favorite pair of jeans. Laying on the sofa and you curled up next to me. I've got here everything I've ever dreamed of. Me and you,
my door 'cause you're wanting back in. Your eyes are all red from apologizing, but you ain't the only one here that's been lying. I've got a few little secrets of my own. Every time I smiled and said I loved your mama, I faked it. When I told you, baby, no need to lose weight, yeah, I was faking that too. And this one is really gonna blow your mind. Every time you thought that you were king of the night, surprise, that's right, I faked it. I think this might be the first time I've seen you speechless, looking all confused, wondering if what I said was the truth. Well, a woman's mind is a complicated thing.